YouTubers, and welcome back to Al's Tool Chest. Today we're going to be taking a look at two tools that I bought recently, and we're going to be having a brief look at them and discussing their quality and the purpose for them. So stay tuned and we'll have a look. So YouTubers, this is two of my latest purchases. I've got a set of US Pro stubby ratchets, 3/8, 1/4 and 1/2. So we're going to have a look at that. And then I've also got a small set of bits and a magnetic holder for bit sets. Okay, so stay tuned and we're going to have a closer look.